Hello there, and welcome to True Weight Solutions. I'm Dr. Neil Pai, and today I want to talk to you about something that affects nearly every aspect of your health, but is often overlooked: inflammation and detoxification. If you've been struggling with low energy, stubborn weight, digestive issues, or just not feeling your best, this may be exactly what your body needs. Let's start with inflammation. Inflammation is your body's built-in defense system. It's how your immune system responds to injuries, toxins, or infections. In the short term, it helps your body heal, but when it becomes chronic, it starts to work against you. You might not see it right away, but over time it shows up as unexplained fatigue, weight that won't budge, brain fog, skin breakouts, digestive issues, joint stiffness or pain. Most people don't realize they're living with low-grade inflammation every day, yet it could be the root cause of how they're feeling. Now let's talk about detoxification. Your body has powerful systems, like your liver, kidneys, gut, and lymphatic system, that are responsible for eliminating waste and toxins. But in today's world, those systems are constantly overwhelmed by processed food, stress, poor sleep, and environmental chemicals. When your detox pathways are sluggish, your body starts to store those toxins. That makes inflammation worse, and makes it harder to lose weight, feel energized, or even think clearly. It's like your body is stuck in a cycle it can't break out of. That's where True Weight Solutions comes in. Our program is designed to do two critical things: reduce chronic inflammation, support your body's natural detoxification systems. We take a whole-body approach, supporting your gut, liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system with science-backed nutritional protocols and lifestyle guidance. This isn't a crash diet or a juice cleanse. It's a structured, sustainable reset that helps your body function the way it was designed to. As inflammation goes down and detoxification improves, you'll begin to feel less bloated, more energized, mentally clear, lighter and leaner, in control of your health again. True healing starts when we remove the barriers that are holding the body back. If you're ready to take that next step toward balance, energy, and real results, visit our website to get started. And if you're a healthcare provider interested in offering this powerful solution to your patients, we'd love to connect with you. Contact us today.